It was a struggle for Joe GDL in that last game against Pangasinan. He's the player that Coach Raisal looks to lead the squad, especially in terms of offensive production. Popular brothers who are in the PBA. One is in the PBA and one is playing overseas. As Marlon Basco, this is a guy that we've seen.
Ian Cabagnot, the brother of Coach Alex, who is also a guard. They were happy as to how they were able to lose by only 7 points as Caloocan was up in double digits in the first half. Today, they will try and not give Marikina their first win. Have you, Coach Mike?
Thank you so much.
The angle, so he decided to take it.
Eloy Tan from the outside swishes it through.
Oh, yan si Eloy Tan. I mean, homegrown as he is from Marikina.
Basco recovers it for Marikina. Short on the one-hander. Basco gives it up. Ujan will rise and finish.
Actually, yan ang kailangan talaga nila. Interior passing ng mga bigs. No? They lost that game primarily because of rebounds. Yung previous nila.
Ubalde gets away from the pressure. Ubalde gets it in plus the foul.
Carrera papunta sa kabila. Akala niya hindi niya matatamaan yung kamay. But, you know, a lot of the times, that's going to be called for a foul.
Rina. Tan still has it. Pass fake. The finish with the left.
Wow, about that. That field goals.
Mabigat gets the offensive rebound here for Marikina. Quick trigger. Mel Mabigat from the baseline.
Good move by
Emilio. Hands it off to Tricky Peromingan. Peromingan uses the Kanyal screen. Peromingan attacks. Peromingan. Last minute pass. Marilao inside for the score.
Kanina kausap natin si Danny. Danny mo, parang hindi naman eh. No?
Marilao has always been one of the road players here in this league who are workhorses. Never seem to show an inch of... But that's why, you know, Coach, I love the way that our league has been growing through the years. As JJ Española, talk about growth, hits it from the outside.
So playing this.
Marilao could not finish on the inside hand scoop. Here comes Eloy Tan. Side step, hop, and the score para kay Eloy Tan.
I like that he aggressively attacked that defense. While we talk about the efficiency of Marikina, field goals like this are what the Bacolod team needs right now.
2, maybe even 3. Eloy Tan once again will go all the way for 2 points, defense to offense.
Well, so far, wala
away by Bacolod. Española could redeem himself here. He does so with those 2 points.
That was not an easy shot. Mahirap yun, ha?
Spins away from trouble. He has Galicia in front of him. Mel Mabigat, the short jumper, is pure.
Yeah. Left and right, side to side the movement.
Emilia on the short roll. Evangelista from the outside. Rims out. Mabigat offensive rebound. Put back is short, but look who comes in for the stick back. 27-21. Our end of first quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. Absorb all of the knowledge that Coach Alex Cabagnot has to impart. Marikina continues to terrorize inside. That's Tolentino who gets the basket in one. Marikina in that last game against Pangasinan, getting early minutes here tonight. It's different when you're actually the head coach.
That's right. And napaka-importante when you know, whether you're building a system or you're building a team, you have to who's gonna step up, who's gonna, you know, will be acquire new talent heading on. That really is a decision of the team.
Marilao, spin, fake, and the score of the bank. Codinera with a rebound. Last year played for Bulacan. Codinera sidestep to the left, finish with the right. 2 points para kay Codinera.
Ganina pinag-even even more.
Ubalde has his Cotto in front of him. Peromingan on the right side. Peromingan goes up for 2.
Oh, now you got a good basket. You got to come back.
Lee picks up his dribble. Gomez de Llano ahead to Ujan. Ujan will take on the defense. It scores.
Meron talaga mga player na mas gustong may bangga.
Peromingan attacks the baseline. They go to the left corner. Pasias looks at the line, sees his 2 feet were behind it, knocks down the 3.
And you see,
Short on the 3-pointer. Eloy Tan now. will go all the way past two defenders.
How do you defend
Laro na to para kay Eloy Tan. We still have a minute and 24 remaining. Pero Mingan hooks a pass back to Marilao. Marilao will attack. Marilao will finish.
Diyan mo makikita talaga yung will ni Marilao. Gusto niya.
Here in the first half, Alfred Cedillo, who did not suit up in their last game against Caloocan. Kakapasok pa lamang dito. Instant offense. But Marikina keeps it alive. Jumper from the perimeter. Eloy Tan continues to remain flawless.
And amidst all that heavy activity, Elo.
Is that gonna count? Well, we've been saying that Jamil Ramos has yet to really introduce himself here to the MPBL. This 42-36 halftime score brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first spins back to Adzar Udjan. Adzar Udjan gets 2 points.
Well, he continues to be very active.
Rebound, tricky pero Mingan. Ubalde leaves it for Marilao. Marilao will finish.
Beautiful read of a three-man fast break.
JR Galit leaves it. Marilao, can he go? Left hand plus the foul. Danny Marilao once again.
Kung ikaw ay
Mabigat spins away from the defense. Mabigat gets the roll.
And Mel continues to be, you know,
Marilao. Marilao, the turnaround jumper.
now Marilao is
In on pick and pops. He's quite a terrific scorer. At least this season, he showed that. Marikina still with possession. Pili pops out for the three. He has that. Eric Pili from downtown.
I was actually gonna say napakaganda nung setup na.
Actually, had the opportunity to play with him in some rec leagues 2 years ago. L.A. Casinillo saying it's dinner time already. Mabigat out to Gama. Evangelista for three. Yes, sir.
A couple of crucial free throws for
Score at the end of the third quarter is 59-54. This end of third quarter score is brought to you by GameX. Coach Mike Perez, Coach Mike, our quarter scoring.
Well, you know, after a strong start by Marikina, eventually Bacolod tried to catch up in the later quarters. You see
They're good setup. Galing dito sa Marikina.
on decision making, just like in last possession, and they could have gone down to Galit, but Danny Marilao says, wag muna yon, ako muna.
Pili, the drop off. Gomez Del Llano inside, 2 points.
Really good attack right there by Marikina. Got the
It's a screen from Marilao. Danny hangs in the air and kisses it off the glass. Danny Marilao, oh my goodness.
wow.
On an almost everyday basis.
Yeah. And this,
Well, it is not finished. Yes, folks, hindi pa rin po tapos. GDL will check back in for Marikina. Udjan almost got the steal. Marilao will attack hard. Danny Marilao.
oh man.
Thunderous jam.
Oh my. We've seen everything, Javi. Gotta see this again.
We just have to. I really, really have to see this again. Up high and down hard. Danny Marilao. What are you on?
Talk about hops. Grabe yung nilundag naman nun, Danny.
We will many times over, I'm sure, at least for the next month.
I'm sure that's good.
Did Marikina touch it? Dexter Tolentino gets the steal. Eloy Tan. This is his first basket of the second half.
And that's the easiest so far basket that he's gotten.
Lead back up to 9. What a spin there. L.A. Casinillo. That's a much-needed basket para sa Bacolod. The Basco pick. They'll set up a staggered for Joe Gomez Del Llano. Joe off the screens. Joe Gomez Del Llano from the outside. Bring the lead back up to 10.
Now, something.
Ubalde floats it up, gets it in. 2 points para kay Nicole Ubalde.
Oh, there's still
There's a pass inside. Tolentino losing his balance, still able to get it. Mabigat, short stab is pure. Mel Mabigat, you just love seeing those jumpers from the perimeter.
Olod. 3-on-2. Casinillo back to Española. To Marilao. Danny Marilao will score.
down 7 points, minute and a half remaining. Oh, that's Ubalde on the floor too.
The screen from Ujan.
Good kick.
Tolentino, baseline jumper. That's good. What a big shot by Jexter Tolentino. Clutch shot after clutch shot here for Marikina. Coach checks it. Almost a foul there by Peromingan. Pili to bail them out.
Oh,
Eric
wow.
Pili. What a dagger right there. Now, Marikina, now with their first victory of the season and their first victims, Team Bacolod of Coach Alex Cabagnot.
Yeah, and a lot of credit to that because of this man right here. A double-double, 4 blocks and 2 steals. Can't say enough for the guy. He's played all over the place.
We said it earlier, we'll say it again. All game long brilliance para kay Adsar Ujan. 17 points, 14 rebounds. He is our Buenas best player of the game. Adsar Ujan just really did it all, from scoring inside, pushing the pace, getting those loose balls, and scoring off drop passes. He really set the tone para sa Marikina, especially when Eloy Tan began to become quiet in the second half. 82-73 is our final score, brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas.